Hello and welcome to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through what has happened with the price of Bitcoin and how we have capitalized on the movements, and we're also going to have a look at what we are looking for in order to capitalize on future price action as well. So if that sounds interesting, please make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and turn that bell notification on. So jumping straight on into the charts, we can see that we have got a trade on the charts here, and this is a trade that I gave to my Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord. As you can see, yielding us some really nice profits. This was a scalp trade for me, and yeah, I was entering with lower capital than usual because I'm looking for bigger levels, and I will get onto that in a moment. So this was a bit of a degen trade, but again, I'm always implementing my proper risk management strategies. So yeah, if you want to learn those, click the link in the description. It'll take you over to bittrading.uk, where you can access all the courses, and you can also join the Visionary Discord where I'm giving my personal trades away as well, and as you can see, yielding us really nice profits. So yeah, yesterday I did tell my team at 6 p.m. that I was entering into a scalp long trade. Why was that? Well, I was seeing an SFP and bull divs coming in. Okay, I was unfortunately away from my desk at that moment in time, so I couldn't give you the proper view. I had to do it from my phone, but again, it's giving the same information. Okay, we were seeing an SFP of the local range low within the local range. I'll get onto that in a moment, and we were seeing bullish divs coming in on the CVDs as well. So for me, I said it's a scalp long. It's a scalp long for me. Entering with low capital, overall range low could still be tapped, which is why I'm entering with low capital. Okay, and as you can see, we took TP1. Capitalizing on that movement. As you can see here, that was a really nice trade that we took. It was a perfect trade, little scalp trade that we took, perfect SFP, and yeah, bull divs coming in, which ultimately pumped that price up. We took out these highs here. Okay, it doesn't show it in this photo, maybe in the next photo here we can see, yep, we took out these highs here and we took our profit off at the table. And I also updated my team this morning that I moved the stop loss to entry on the scalp long trade. So yeah, I broke down this trade within the daily market update this morning for my team, so they get more of an in-depth look at this. But that's basically what has happened. I gave the signal to my team. I let them know that I was entering into that trade, and I told them that I was taking profit, and then I told them when I was moving that stop loss to entry as well. So that was a really nice trade, and a good example of what we do here at Bit Trading as well. So that's what's happened within the price of Bitcoin. Okay, if you've been watching the previous YouTube videos, or if you're a Visionary member, you will know that I have two bigger levels. Okay, and the two bigger levels that I am waiting for, okay, remaining calm and patient and waiting for to enter a much bigger trade, are this level is first of all this level up here at $30,050 approximately, and $28,555. These are the two levels that I am remaining patient for and waiting for those levels to be tapped, because once those levels are tapped, okay, then there's a possibility that we could enter into a trade. Okay, so down here, if this level is tapped, we see the confirmation, we see the confluence, then of course there's there's enough evidence. Of course, I'm going to enter a long position from down here. Okay, so it would hopefully look something like this. Okay, and vice versa. Okay, if we see the confluence and the confirmation up here, okay, then the trade would look something like this. Okay, but we have to have that confirmation and that confluence. Okay, because there is a possibility that the price comes up to one of our levels or down to one of our levels. Okay, and we don't see the confirmation, we don't see the confluence, and price just breaks through that level. Okay, and if that were the case, if we were to see a break towards the downside, then I would be expecting $27,430 to be tapped. If we got a break of $28,555, with no bullish indications there, then we're looking at $27,430. So that's what I'm looking at. And yeah, for higher as well, if we break this with no bearish indications, then we're looking like we're going to come up to $31,475. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And for trading in between these levels, okay, so taking any internal trades, they are only going to be scalp trades for me, because as I said, these are the two bigger levels that I'm remaining patient for. Okay, these are the levels where I would enter into a much bigger trade. But if we see trading opportunities like we did right here, then I'm going to be entering in with a much lower capital, because it is only going to be a scalp trade, and then I'm going to very quickly take profit, move that stop loss to entry, and de-risk myself from that trade. But yeah, that was a really nice trade that I gave to my Visionary members. Again, if you want access to that, click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here, and you can gain access to the courses that I have, which are giving my strategies away. And also you get access to the Visionary Discord, where I'm giving all of my trades away there as well. As you can see, so much evidence here. And yeah, we've taken, over the past 11 trades that we've taken, only one of them has been a losing trade. So we're on a really nice win streak at this moment in time. And yeah, just to remind you all as well, we're still within that much bigger short position as well, which was from $31,471. That's where we are short from. So yeah, that's a really nice short. And then we actually caught this really nice scalp long trade and took our profits pretty quickly off of that. So yeah, again, you want to join that Discord, click the link in the description, head over to bittrading.uk, and you can get access to that. So that's pretty much all I've got for you today. If you enjoyed, please make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, turn that bell notification on so you never ever miss another video. And yeah, I will see you in the next update. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.